Hi Blazers, in this video we're going to show you how to download and install AnyViewer. It is the program that we have moved from TeamViewer to AnyViewer. So if you are an Ample Blaze client, we recommend watching our previous video of how to uninstall TeamViewer, and then in this video we're going to show you how to install AnyViewer. So just go up the top here and click download, and you've got three choices for Windows, for iOS and Mac and Android. Okay, just click on free download, or you could go to that light one, but if you continuously need our help on a regular basis, just install the software. So we're going to save it and then just click. And then on your screen it will ask you to run it as administrator. As you can see with the remote software, with Quick Assist it doesn't show you that, so we're just going to say yes. So if you can't see it as the admin person, just get the user on the other side just to click yes to that, and then you'll see the next screen, and then click on install now. And then you can untick that one and enjoy now, and then it loads. It will look like something like this, and then you're good to go. It is similar to TeamViewer, as you can see. As the person that will take control, they'll ask you for your device ID and the temporary security code, and that's it. That's how we do it. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one. Bye for now.